Salutations to you who are on the YouTube channel Vito Forge Art of Scale. My name is, guess what, Vito, and this is my humble, guess what, Creative Forge. Making this video is unusual for me, and on my painting workbench I've got a project from the SolGood Creations company. I'm proud to say that they sent me STL files so I could print them out and paint them up at the prime archetype. With that in mind, and without further ado, let's get started. These are vignettes for tabletop wargame systems, and specifically these two are for Trench Crusade. You can see how detailed and high quality their product is. You literally can see every single grain of dust. For a painter, this amount of detail is both a blessing and a curse. I used a mix of dry brushing, washes and shades to really make that Grimdark atmosphere pop. And in this video I'll be showing you step by step how I achieved this weathered look. These battlefield communions are a perfect mix of holy relics, terror of fire and trench warfare that stand out as a brutal centerpiece for your table. They are the perfect places for your troops to seek redemption before stepping into the crossfire. Such vignettes are a very good way to make your battlefield even more atmospheric and grim than it already is. SolGood Creations is a company established by two friends with the intent of creating great miniatures for 3D printing. And they do it tremendously well. You can find them on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Patreon, TikTok and so on. But their main lair is my manufacturer, the link to which you can find in the description for this video. If you are into Trench Crusade or just love high quality Grimdark miniatures, go check them out. Supporting creators like SolGood is how we keep this hobby alive and kicking. These two dioramas are only a small part of their extensive collection, where you may find thousands of different characters, figures, terrain pieces, houses, you name it. Tons of photos in the community are the living proof of how well they run their business. But enough about my dear colleagues, let's talk a little bit about me. I'm really excited to have such a great opportunity to be the one who is gonna print and paint them for the very first time. It's a huge challenge, but challenge accepted. Looking forward to have another collaboration with these great guys so I may feel like a high-end, top-notch paint master. I can't thank them enough for choosing me to bring to life some of their miniatures. That's one small brush stroke for a painter, one giant leap for the painting community. I hope you're going to enjoy this video and learn something useful. If you have any questions, I will gladly reply to them in the comments section below. Subscribe to the channel for more high-end, exciting painting projects, and likes are welcome too. Anyway, thanks for watching.